Hello, hola, and namaste from around the world to your classroom. This is Reggie Alexander. In this video, we're going to cover the basic characteristics of process manufacturing. What is process manufacturing? Process manufacturing is a production method that follows a consecutive step in a chronological sequence to create a product with a combination of ingredients using a formula. It is frequently used in industries that produce bulk quantities of goods such as paint, food, beverages, refined oil, gasoline, pharmaceuticals, chemicals, and plastics. Process manufacturers tend to produce goods in bulk that can be manufactured without large amounts of human labor. The end result of a well-implemented production line is lower labor costs, greater efficiency, and higher profit margins. Brewing beer is one example of process manufacturing in the beverage industry. The ingredients of brewing beer includes, but are not limited to, grains, malt, hops, and yeast. Various formulas or recipes help the manufacturing process. As you can see in the picture, the basic steps include: first, mashing the barley with water, lathering, adding the hops for boiling, cooling, adding yeast for fermentation, filtration, and finally bottling. Once the beer is bottled, the end product cannot be broken down into its constituent parts. Manufacturers rise or fall based on their efficiency. If they can produce greater volume at lower prices than their rivals, manufacturers tend to do pretty well. Process manufacturing is best suited for an industry that produces standardized products in bulk. They can mass produce the products if they know the formula or recipe. Not suitable for all economic industries in general. If your firm needs to produce a complex product, the results may not work. Liquid soap is another example of a product created through process manufacturing for personal care. Much like beer brewing, liquid soap production involves mixing specific amounts of process inputs to create a complete compound that cannot be separated apart into original components after the final product is produced. Therefore, the basic characteristics of process manufacturing is a production method that follows steps in a chronological sequence to create a product with a combination of ingredients using a formula or a recipe. Please feel free to explore more about this topic on Chegg. That's it for now. Until next time, goodbye, adios, and ciao.